Hello everybody, welcome to the game that people kill their sons at. Yay! And because this is super duper popular at the moment, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, fruit merge is getting away. Merge fruits to get a watermelon. So let's try it. So if we drop that grape there, live on. Drop it there, we get, drop it there, bang. So if we drop this here, we can like roll it, but that didn't work. Okay, we have now got, oh god damn. Okay, so my internet just lost connection there. Okay, so we've got that. No, reach each other. Okay, so I've now got a, what is that? Tangerine or orange? Tangerine or orange? Let me know down below. Oh, next I'm getting a lemon, so that'll be good. Let's just put that over there. If you can get this in here, I'll be happy. Why? I can already tell I hate this game.
What? Yes.
Hey guys, this is Ariana with another episode of Don't Touch My Anime Boyfriend. So as you all know, I kept going back and forth between Levi and Dobby, which ended up pretty gnarly for me after Levi sent me this and getting all jealous. So now that I'm with Dobby, I tried an experiment to see how protective he was. I told him my abusive ex was coming to look for me, and he said this. So download Talkie and talk to your favorite fictional characters.
I'm traumatized. I am traumatized. Whatever that ad was, I'm sorry if that was something that said buy no ads, I would get it, but I'm broke and this game needs internet. If we drop it there. Yeah, I'm level 2. I'm trying not to scream because my parents are sleeping right now. Parents before screaming. I need a lemon. Bro, these things look so cute, they are not, they're deadly. Yes. No. Merge that. I swear, gibberish there. Merge the gibberish. Try to say merge that really fast. 10 times. Try it. Why do I drop this? There. Yes. if I push this there, this should move the grape out the way. Or what's the point of pushing it? Why? Might sound like I'm burping, I don't know. No, that's not why I meant for it to go. Yes.
Being CEO is great in everything until you die. Now what the heck am I gonna do with all this money? At least I was thinking rich.
Oh, who likes Fit Life? I mean, I might do a video on it. Should I?
Should I?
Bro, I don't want to download the app. Yay. I don't even know what fruit I'm supposed to get. Bang. Oh, wow. So annoying. Yay. Yay.
Yes.
I got a pomegranate. Comment down below if you love pomegranates. I love pomegranates. So underrated. Oh, the juiciness. Oh. As you can tell, I'm clearly in love with pomegranates. They might be my favourite. Are they fruit or vegetable? Fruit. Yeah, fruit. That corner down there, the one with the lemon in the corner, is really annoying me right now. I can't make this too long because YouTube says I have to verify myself to make long videos. So yeah, let's get 2 pomegranates and that'll be it. Hashtag love pomegranates. Pass the lemon there. There you go. There we go. Okay, so another pair equals a pomegranate, so we get the 2 pomegranates attached. There we go. Boom. I'm gonna store it there because you can see I've got that there. Okay, we need another orange, then it will be another pair. Wait, what? How am I supposed to do this? Bro, I just dropped my phone. Where should I place this? Where should I place this?
Come on, try to show us how cool you play. Very efficient jumps, man. You finally figured out what to do.
Video, guys, because there's just way too many ads. So if you guys like this video,
I already thought that there would be no kills in this gameplay.
Trying to find the app. Like I spent like half my life.
Are you trying to get overclocked? Can we tell him that this is not how it works? What an unexpected ending.